Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to create a tangent between a line and an arc. And this will be for the CAD feature. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head into the program. So like I mentioned, today we're going to be looking at some tangent lines, especially between a curve and a line, or arc and a line. So what I'm going to do is quickly just add arc here. I'm going to make the first point high this time. So I'm going to go on the Y, I'm going to make 100, or let's make this 80. And then the bottom point, I'm going to make 20 from the bottom. And then the X's I'm going to leave the same. I'm going to go to option 2 though for my center point. I'm going to make this 50 and 50. So 50 up, it's about between those, and 50 in. There we go, we've got our arc. Now what I'm going to do is add a line. And then let's just go this on an X. I'm going to go about, let's make it about 60 for both of them. And then the Y I'm going to make 100. So we've got nice little line over here. So now we're going to quickly be working on a tangent. Let's maybe increase this a bit just so it's not so on it. So I'm going to make this 100 and 100. There we go. So now what I can do in order to use this feature, I'm just going to zoom in so you can see where it's located. I've got the two options. I've got a tangent. Select, let me zoom out so I can tell you what it says. Select circle dash arcs and click on the end of them. And then we've got here tangent, select two entries, line and arc, or line and circle dash arc, and click on the ends of them. So that is the two options we have. So I'm going to select the second one, or should I say, let me first select two shapes, then click on the second one, and then what you want to do is select two tangent lines or hotspots. I'm going to select this one. And let's go to the bottom point here, and you see it creates a nice tangent there between the 2 points. Now you can obviously do it to the top as well, so it's going to just kind of run parallel to the top of the circle. Let's just find that hotspot. Okay, I'm not sure what I did wrong there. Let's try that again. Click on the tangent, hotspot, and hotspot. There we go. So yeah, otherwise that is it on the tangent line. Pretty simple. If you have your both shapes selected, then you just select the two hotspots you want to be using. But yeah, otherwise in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not however find the training video you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.